Did you see her throwing poop at someone?
What I saw was her reach on the back of her pants, pull it out, smear it on the ground. I walked by there.
Saying that you were wandering around with a poop in your hands.
No, I didn't have any poop in my hands. I grabbed it, tried to stop it from falling all over my private. It just fell out and it's on the ground.
And you picked it up?
Well, some of it.
What did you do with it?
Threw it away.
Threw it away? Okay, that's it?
Yeah.
Two legal systems. One person on a public street. One decision that changes the outcome entirely. This case is not about what happened. It is about what the law required officers to do when two statutes pointed in different directions. A criminal charge was filed. A mental health hold was not. The gap between those two decisions is where this analysis begins.
Brandy, hurry up.
I'm going to the bathroom. He just came in. Raped me, put in the safe, touch it. Put shit in my front hand.
She's the one that always says
Being
everybody's
raped.
raping her.
I keep the voices that she's being raped by you quiet.
So how many people were in?
It's just her.
Just
She's her shoes are off.
So where's the other one?
Well, maybe there's no one there, but they thought there's somebody else.
Her shoes are off.
Nobody's in the easy check.
Who did she throw it at?
She didn't throw it at anybody, but she smeared it down the sidewalk, and then I guess she was like shaking her hands off, and it looked like it might get onto somebody.
So it's not a ball.
It's not a. Let me see if Chad has like a tool.
She,
I'm not gonna wait here all day for this.
she will come out.
So it's not a.
No. Yeah. Nobody actually saw her naked, so I guess.
It's just a signal sender.
Signal 20.
Yeah. 20/7.
Yeah.
Alright, you coming out or am I opening this door?
I don't even have time to rinse my clothes off.
Okay, am I opening the door or are you coming
I'm
out?
on the way.
What's that?
I'm on the way. I'm getting my shoes on.
Come on out.
Come on, Brandon. Come stand over here for me.
What's going on?
She didn't throw poop at anybody, right? Did you see him throwing poop at someone?
He was the one that witnessed it. He said he was walking out there and slinging her finger.
Did you see her throwing poop at someone?
What I saw was her reach on the back of her pants, pull it out, smear it on the ground. I walked by there. She was walking down the street and with that hand, gesturing, like flinging.
Okay.
So I didn't actually see it hit anybody, but there's something
Going
on there.
Okay.
Those actions offended you, though, right?
Sure. Yeah. I mean,
She asked when she did it.
you know the art gallery with the giraffes down here on Front Street? Right in front of there, you can see the thesis.
Next to the train station, or
Yeah, but she
In
grabbed it
between
and then
Front
smeared
Street and
painted on the
Station.
sidewalk, and then he
There's
saw her
a-
walk up.
There's an art gallery on the left with the giraffes.
That should be enough. We'll get his information. He's offended. It's immoral.
I just want the community to see it. Like,
yeah. Where did she defecate on the sidewalk?
I just told you, dude.
No. Can you go show me?
Yes. Like what part of it? Yeah.
You have your ID with you, Brandy? Well, obviously we know who you are, but just in case, let's just get your information. Is your ID out of Florida?
Montana.
Montana?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Can you explain everything that you explained to him?
Yeah, so this woman was walking down this street out here. We were standing in a store and we could hear her screaming. And so, of course, look out. And there was 3 black girls walking on this street, and she was like screaming the N-word at them. She thought she knew them. Like she was like, Brandy, trying to act like you don't know who I am, and kept calling them the N-word. And like finally these girls got out their cell phone and just started like recording recording her as they were still walking, and eventually they walked towards the end of the street and stopped. It was like a medical dispensary or something. Like there was an owner or somebody standing out of that corner, and they just went and like was pointing at her.
On this street?
On this, yeah, right down this street. And then we were standing at that store. We came in here, and the next thing you know, we heard her yelling, and I was like, "Oh shit, that girl came back up the street."
Okay.
And so then she came up here.
Can I get your information?
Sure.
Okay.
So, Brandy, what happened down there?
I don't know, I just went to the bathroom. I don't know, maybe I have heat stroke or something.
You know, we have multiple saying that you are wandering around with a poop in your hands.
And I didn't have my poop in my hands. I grabbed, I tried to stop it from falling all over my privates.
So it just fell out of you? Why didn't you couldn't hold it any longer?
No, somebody was hitting me.
Ah, okay. That's why it was loose and it was falling out.
Yeah, somebody was like shoving their poop inside me.
So once you took it out, what did you do with it?
It fell out of my pants.
And then?
Yeah, it just fell out and it's on the ground.
And you picked it up?
Well, some of it.
And what did you do with it?
Threw it away.
Threw it away? Okay, that's it?
Yeah.
Stay right there, Randy. Going off.
Was there a second person in there in the bathroom with her?
I don't know.
Oh.
No. We had multiple people call about her.
Brandy, listen, this is what's happening, right? So, bunch of people were offended by your actions.
Okay.
So you have to come with us.
Okay.
Turn around, put the hands behind your back.
Can you raise your right hand? You swear and affirm the statements you gave me the truth to the best of your knowledge? All right. Awesome. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Can you stand normally? Come on.
Randy, will you stop? Stand up.
Okay,
Stand up, Randy. Walk.
Brandy.
Let's go, Randy. Resisting. Yep.
Elevator. Elevator.
Be careful, there's a
Yeah.
right there. Imagine people coming out from the elevator.
She jumped over.
Yeah, she just fell. Alright, Brandy. Come on, let's go.
Should we go to the back way? Well, let us.
The cars are up front.
That's
Okay.
fine. Okay, come on.
Lost her shoe. I don't know how we're gonna do this.
You want to grab her or the shoes?
You want to grab her? I can grab her legs if you want.
Yeah, let's
I mean, it's not gonna look good either way. Where's your car? This one right here?
Hold on a second. My shoulder's sore. Gosh. So gross.
Yeah.
Taking a dentist?
I got one of those taco things in my car.
A what?
Like the taco things you put on your seats.
Can you bring it to me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take one.
She was following a group of black girls yelling the N-word, and now she's resisting too.
I think she needs medical clearance.
Why?
I don't know, the way she's behaving.
And she's not going to answer any of the questions at the jail. They're going to put her in a gown.
Okay, ready? Okay, lift her up from this side.
Come on, Brandy. Stand up.
Come on, Brandy.
Get up.
Don't resist.
I'm not. Stop.
You are resisting.
Stop.
Okay,
Get up.
sit then. Brandy.
Brandy, sit up. Act like a
My
grown
name's
up.
not Brandy.
Okay, Miss Butterfly.
My name's not Butterfly either, or Miss.
What's your name?
What's your name?
How would you like us to call you?
I'm gonna ask for you to call me.
What do you want us to name you by?
That's all she had, right? Nothing in the bathroom stall? Okay. Brandy, are you gonna walk with us upstairs or we have to carry you again? I would really appreciate if you can walk by yourself. Can you do that for us? Do me a favor, step outside. Brandy, can you step outside, please? All right. And lock the door, close the door.
Got your keys?
Yeah, I got the keys.
Come on, Brandy.
Hello. Okay, let me turn this way. Okay, you could have walked yourself, you know? Yeah. She was grabbed the poop out from her behind and smeared it all over the sidewalk, so her behind is still dirty. Just be mindful.
Florida Statute Section 877.3. Disorderly conduct. Any act that outrages public decency in a public space is a second-degree misdemeanor. Florida Statute Section 843.2. Resisting without violence, passive noncompliance, going limp, refusing commands is a first-degree misdemeanor. Graham versus Connor, U.S. Supreme Court, 1989. Force must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment. Never in hindsight. Graham three-factor test. Severity of the offense. Whether the subject poses an immediate threat. Whether the subject is actively resisting. All three factors are present. Chaplinsky versus New Hampshire, U.S. Supreme Court, 1942. The fighting words doctrine. Speech that by its utterance incites immediate breach of the peace is not protected. Florida Statute Section 394.463. The Baker Act. Apparent mental illness plus inability to self-determine care plus risk of harm equals a lawful involuntary hold. Criminal arrest and Baker Act are not mutually exclusive under Florida law. Legal lesson. Passive resistance is still a criminal offense. Officers are not required to wait for active aggression before a lawful arrest. Legal lesson. Recognizing a mental health crisis on scene is not the same as invoking the Baker Act. Recognition without a formal decision does not satisfy the statutory obligation. Legal lesson. The First Amendment does not protect all offensive speech. Proximity, conduct, and immediate threat to others determine whether the fighting words exception applies. The charges are pending. The Baker Act was not formally invoked. 2 legal pathways were available. One was chosen. Was that the correct decision? The statute existed. The criteria were present. The hold was never initiated. What happens when the law provides the answer, and the answer is not used?